What's up, nerds, and welcome to Chad's AV Workshop. In today's episode, I want to rant about PNG files, specifically when it comes to logos. As a creative and as someone that's in the advertising industry or whatever it is that I do, I work with a ton of logos, and I can tell you almost every logo I've ever received has been totally crap, garbage, unusable nonsense, and I'm sick of it. I'm tired of it, and I bet your creative people and your team are tired of it too. So what can we do to fix these PNG logos? First of all, we need to understand what is a PNG. And a PNG file is a file with a transparent background. That means if it's a logo, it's just your logo. There's no white or color or anything else. All we get is your logo, and that's what we want, because then we can decide how we use your logo with the branding that we're working with. It could be a magazine, it could be an ad, it could be a movie, video, photo, anything. We want just your logo, no background. And why I stress this so much is because often people will take a JPEG that has a background and convert it into a PNG, which doesn't really work. They don't know how to do it, and we still get garbage. Or what's even worse is they have a JPEG file that is just tiny, unusable, pixelated dog, doo-doo. And we can't work with it. We can't cut it out. We can't do anything with these logos. So number one, remember, a PNG is a transparent file. And number two, if you get logos made by a professional, you're probably gonna pay a lot of money for them. So it's in your best interest to keep the big, large, high-res files. And if you worked with a real professional to make your logo, they're gonna send you a JPEG, a PNG, an Illustrator file. They're gonna send you every version of this logo so that when someone asks you for the logo, you can give them the best quality logo possible. It's just so frustrating for me. If you're a creative, I'm sure you've dealt with this all the time. And if you don't know why people are so upset, you're the problem. You're the problem. And that's my rant for today. I hope this taught you a little something about PNG logos, and I hope it taught you about why I get so stressed all the time. I'll see you next time.